June Mar Fajardo, born November 17, 1989, is a Filipino professional basketball player for the San Miguel Beermen of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). He is also known by his Born in Compostela, he transferred with his parents to Pinamungajan at an early age, where he spent most of his younger and teen years. He played center for the University of Cebu Webmasters in the SAFI and for the San Miguel Beermen in the ASEAN Basketball League before being selected as the first overall in the 2012 PBA draft by Petron Blaze Boosters. Despite his young age, Fajardo showed great potential and has been dubbed by local sports analysts as the future of Philippine basketball. During his rookie season, he played for the national team and earned a silver medal at the 2013 FIBA Asia Championship for Gilas Pilipinas. In his first year in the PBA, he was selected to the All-Rookie team and second mythical team. Since then, he became the first person in league history to win the PBA Most Valuable Player award in 6 consecutive seasons, which he won from 2014 to 2019. After suffering a career-threatening injury in 2020, he won 3 straight MVPs in 2023 to 2025 to extend his record for the most PBA MVP awards with 9. He is a perennial member of Gilas Pilipinas in international competitions since 2013 and was also part of the team who won the gold medal in the 2022 Asian Games. Fajardo was chosen to be part of the Smart Gilas 2.0 team, later known as Gilas Pilipinas, that was built for the 2014 World Championships. After months of training that includes trips and scrimmages to Lithuania and New Zealand, Fajardo was included in the final 12-man lineup that would compete in the 2013 FIBA Asia Championship, the qualifier for the 2014 World Championships. When the Gilas Pilipinas prepared for the 2014 FIBA World Cup, he was again called up to be part of the training pool. He was also part of the Gilas team, which played in Wuhan, China for the 5th FIBA Asia Cup, where they won the bronze medal. However, he was almost a non-factor as he was still adjusting to the international game and style of play. After the FIBA Asia Cup, the Gilas training pool headed to Miami to kick-start their long preparations for the 2014 World Cup and the 2014 Asian Games. During his stint in the 2014 FIBA World Cup, Fajardo was consistent in his limited minutes on the court while providing energy and hustle coming off the bench as a reliever for Blatch. Due to his good performance, he was ranked second among all players in terms of player efficiency rating per behind Spanish NBA player Pau Gasol, and ranked higher than some NBA players in the rating. His breakthrough performance came in the team's last game against Senegal, where Fajardo played his best game in the entire tournament. Fajardo had 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 steals, and 2 assists as he provided hustle and muscle against the big men of Senegal, most especially in the final quarter of regulation and overtime when Blatch was fouled out. In a team effort led by Fajardo and team captain Jimmy Alapag, the Philippines captured their lone win of the tournament and ended their campaign on a winning note. Fajardo was included in the 21-man pool for the 2023 FIBA World Cup, where he was eventually included in the final 12-man lineup. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.